Welcome to the second demo. This one's about staying ahead of the competition. You're prepping for a board meeting about your portfolio company, D-Matrix, which makes AI inference chips. You've got a spreadsheet of competitor funding data that was comprehensive 6 months ago. In AI chip years, that's ancient history. You need fresh intel. Are there new players, any acquisitions, who just raised a round? Normally this means opening dozens of browser tabs, Crunchbase, TechCrunch, press releases, and hours of copy-pasting and cross-referencing. And you'll probably still miss half the action since new startups emerge weekly and funding rounds happen quietly. Manus can transform this manual slog into something dynamic and live. We know it excels at web search and deep research, but can it handle an entire competitive landscape? Can it understand the nuances of your specific market? Let's find out. So let's test this. I've got my spreadsheet with 25 AI chip companies, and here's my prompt. I'm updating the comps for my portfolio company D-Matrix. This list contains AI chip startups' historical fundraising data. Please update it with the latest funding information and add any new AI inference chip startups developing data center inference chips for generative AI. Note the specificity here. Data center inference chips for generative AI is D-Matrix's exact competitive set. Now let's watch Manus work. It's systematically updating each company. TensTorrent just raised $700 million, triple what my sheet showed. Grok's at a $6 billion potential valuation. Now it's finding companies I missed entirely. Celestial AI with photonic fabric technology. AR Labs with optical interconnects. Minutes later, my 25 company spreadsheet is now 35 companies with fresh funding data. But I've just remembered Positron AI made headlines yesterday, so I'll just add it. Manus doesn't just add the line item, it will pull their Series A details, founder backgrounds, performance claims against NVIDIA. The spreadsheet is a living document, so I push even further. In addition, include M&A activity, major milestones like partnerships with cloud providers, key senior hires in R&D, and published benchmark results for chips running LLM models. Now we're building complete market intelligence. AMD acquiring Untether's AI's entire team. Qualcomm dropping $2.4 billion on AlphaWave. Meta hiring ChatGPT's co-creator. The final output is this huge documentation of actionable intelligence. It's not just funding rounds, it's the full competitive narrative of who's winning, how they're winning, and what are their next moves. So here's what matters. We're turning static competitive intelligence into living documents that stay current without any manual updates. Board prep, quarterly reviews, investor updates. Whenever you need fresh competitive intelligence, just ask Manus and it will research and resurface the latest data. The insight is you probably have dozens of outdated analyses sitting in your drive right now. Market landscapes that were accurate last quarter. Competitive matrices missing half the players. With Manus, they're no longer snapshots frozen in time. Next time someone asks, what's changed? You're already prepared.